How to disable WhatsApp linked devices and secure your WhatsApp account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through on how to disable WhatsApp linked devices and secure your WhatsApp account. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's begin. Launch WhatsApp on your device. Log into your account. Navigate to three dots at top right. Now select Link Devices from this drop-down menu. And here you will see all your devices connected to WhatsApp. You simply need to review the linked devices, and if there is any suspicious device connected, you can easily tap particular one and tap on logout button. And following this method, you can easily secure your WhatsApp account and disable WhatsApp linked devices. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.